Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Battle Cat surprise fold. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Battle Cat surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to line up the corners and I'm going to give it a nice fold right down the middle. This way when I open it up, it's kind of like a little birthday card. Next, I'm going to line this up one more time, and I'll give it another fold down the middle like this. Now it's kind of like a bookmark. And then when I open it up, I have these nice little guidelines that show me where I need to keep the inside of my drawing. And I like to turn my paper this way so I can open it up for a fun surprise. Now to start off with this, we're going to begin by drawing one of the regular cats. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to make a nice, big, sad face on top. So I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to go up, and then I'm just going to bring this down. Now underneath here, let's make a nice smiley face. So we're just going to go down, and then we're just going to bring this up here. Now, our next step is we're going to add the face. So I'm going to start right here, and let's begin by making a little V shape for the nose. So we're just going to make a little V shape. Then we're going to make the mouth. We're just going to start here, and we're going to come down and up here. And then we'll do the same thing here. We're just going to go down, and then we're going to curve up here. Now, right over here, we're going to make the eyes. So I'm going to begin by just making a little circle, and I'm just going to color this in. Then we're going to do the same thing here. We're just going to make a circle, and then we're just going to color this in. Now for the ears, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up to a point and then down. Then another one here, we're going to come up to a point and down. And then right here, we're going to make a little curved line for a smile. Now, starting here on the legs, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down and then up. And then one more here. We're just going to go down and then up in like two little V shapes. Then I'm going to make another one that's going to go down and up here, and then one that's just going to go down and then up here. Now our next step is to open this up and draw the inside. Now once we open this up, we have two halves of our Battle Cat. Now the first thing I want to do is I'm going to start right about here, and I'm just going to make a line that's going to come down, and then same thing here. We're just going to make a line that comes down to start the mouth. And then right down here, I'm just going to make a little smiley face shape for the bottom of the mouth. Now, let's start by adding some different characters in here. So I'm going to add the little cat with the axe. So let's begin by making a circle shape right here for the body. Then right here, I'm going to make a little line that's just going to curve down and over. Inside of here, I'm going to make an X. And then over here, I'm going to make a black dot for the eye. For the nose, let's make a little V. Then let's make a line that curves down and up, and then down and up. Then let's make a little smiley face for the mouth. On top of here, let's make two triangle shapes for the ears. And then I'm going to make two V shapes down here for some feet. And then two more little V shapes for the feet. Now right here, I'm going to make a little diagonal oval shape, and then a second one that goes behind it. So it kind of looks like an X. Next, I'm going to make two lines that come down, and a line that goes up, over, and down. And we're going to turn this into an axe. So let's begin by making a line that's going to curve up, and then one that curves down. Then a big curve to connect it with a second one right there. Then let's make half a rectangle shape over here. And then I'm just going to connect this line right to there. Next, let's make the really tall cat. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to draw a line that's just going to come up. I'm going to curve it around and bring it right down to here on this side of the mouth. I'm going to put a black dot here, and then a black dot right there. Then a little V shape in here. I'll make a curve right here for part of the mouth and a curve here. Then I'll make a line that goes down, over, and up in like a square for the mouth. Next, I'll make a triangle here and a triangle here. Now, right here, I'm going to make the cat that looks like a cow. So I'm going to begin by making a sad face for the top of the head. Then I'll make a line that's going to come out. It's going to curve around and come back here. I'll make a black dot here, and then a black dot here. And a little V shape for the nose. I'll draw two curves for the mouth. And then a smiley face here. Now for the ears, I'm going to make half of an oval shape on each side. And for the horns, let's just draw a line that curves up and then comes down. And we'll do the same thing here. Let's curve up and then come back down. Next, I'm going to bring a line that's going to come down to here. And then I'm going to make a line that's going to come out and then in. And then a line that's going to curve down. I'll make a little line to here. And then a line that curves here for part of the leg. Then we'll draw a line here for the body. And then we'll add a little line down here for that leg. Now, over here, let's make the cat with wings. So I'm going to begin by drawing a circle for the body. Let's do a little dot here, and then a little dot here for the eyes. Then let's make a V shape for the nose. Once again for the mouth, we'll make two lines that curve down. And then a little smiley face. Next, let's make two triangles for the ears. And for the wings, let's draw a line that comes up on each side. I'll make a line that comes down and up, down and up, down and up, and then one more time right there for the feathers. And let's do the same thing. Let's come down and up, down and up, down and up, and down and up right here. Then let's add a line here and a line here for part of the wings. Now let's do one more cat over here, and we're going to do the one with the really long legs. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's going to curve to here. I'm going to go up and down with a triangle shape. Next, we'll make a curve here for the top of the head. We'll make another triangle shape here. Then we want to curve this down to here. Just like how we've been doing, we'll do a dot here for an eye and a dot here. We'll do a little V shape for the nose, and then 2 smiley faces for part of the mouth, and a big smiley face for the bottom of the mouth. Now for this leg, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. I'm going to curve it around and bring it up here. Put a little space in here. And then I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down and then angle over. Same thing here, we'll come down and then angle over and then just connect it. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to come down and over, and then down and over here. Then we'll make it jump out and curve back here. Now for the last leg, let's just draw a diagonal line here. We're going to come down and then curve it back up here, nice and skinny. Now, I'm going to bring this line down, and I'm going to jump over here and connect it to here. And then same thing, we're going to bring this down. We'll kind of jump over here and then bring it down. Next, starting here, I'm going to bring this line down. We're going to jump over everything and then connect it to here. Same thing, we're going to bring this down, kind of jump over everything, and then bring it to here. And there you go, there's your Battle Cat surprise fold. Want to have it all folded up, we've got the cute looking little Battle Cat, and then when we open it, we can see that there are a bunch of Battle Cats inside. And there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.